Yeah, that's good. Loosen up your stomach. Good.
Oh! Wow. Hey, man, that's nice. That's nice. Wow, man, thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that's... I need that spot.
Yeah.
I need that.
More. Let this looser. It's already popping up.
Oh, woo! Man, that's been stuck there for a minute.
Mm-hmm.
It just feels like it finally just...
Open.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's been stuck for a good minute.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.